Welcome to part 2 of the Canvas / MyMCPS Classroom pop-up learning sessions. Today we're going to talk about how to change your dashboard in order to show your classes. Now, what you want to think about is all of your teachers do not use MyMCPS Classroom in their rooms. So on your dashboard, you only want to have the classes that you use MyMCPS Classroom. So I'm going to click on see all. I'm going to show you. I have all of these classes under my name. Classes that I was in before and classes that I'm in now. Okay. Of course, the ones that are in past enrollment, they're not going to pop up. This is just what I've done a long time ago. But these are the classes that I'm in now. And as you can see, it's more here than is on my dashboard. So I can change that if I want to by clicking on edit. So let's just say, for example, I don't want to see the Argyle MS. I'm going to take this star off. And let's say I don't want to see Argyle Vilsforce. You can see in the background, they came off. But I want to put that back on there because I do want it. And I do want the Argyle MS. I do have advisory, but this one is not going to pop up because I have not made it a class. And also this one is not going to pop up. So if your teachers will all be in here, but if they don't use MyMCPS Classroom and you click on the star, it's not going to pop up in your dashboard. So only star something if that is a class that you know you're going to use MyMCPS Classroom in. Okay? So again, if you want to show it, you'll have the star filled in. If you don't want it to show, you will take the star, click on it so it is blank. Okay? That is session 2. So now what I want you to do is go into your MyMCPS Classroom and change those classes. You can do it on the app, and you can also do it on the website. I'm going to go to Chrome, and I have MyMCPS Classroom showing. This is my dashboard. Instead of the edit, you have the 3 dots here. And I can change it. If I want to show cards, I can show list, or I can show my recent activity. But I want to go back and I want to show my cards, okay? And I want to change these. So you have to click on courses, all courses. Again, you'll have a star. So if I want to take it away, I'll click on the star. If I want to have it, I'll click on the star to make it show. You'll see publish or not publish. This means that your teacher did not make the class. So yes, I made my Algebra 1A class so they can see everything. Yes, the Argyle MS class works so I can see everything. If it has a no and you click on the star, nothing is going to show. Okay, so just be aware of that. So again, your task is to either use the website or use the student app to change your classes so you can show different things in your dashboard. Enjoy and meet me at the next